Hello everybody. Now we want to learn how to install Northwind database on your SQL Server. As you know, Northwind is sample database that Microsoft made it for SQL Server and Microsoft Access training. Let's install it in 2 minutes. To install Northwind on your database, first open your SQL Server Management Studio, SSMS. You should have a SQL Server that you can access it, and in my case I installed SQL Server on my computer. Connecting to it. When you opened your SQL Server Management Studio, hit a new query, and when this new window opened, you should go to your browser and open the link that I put on description, and Ctrl A, Ctrl C to copy it. Going back to SQL Server Management Studio and pasting the script. This is Northwind creation script that makes the sample database for you. Just hit execute. Congratulations! Your Northwind database is ready, and you can see it here in your database list. Yes, Northwind is here, and you can see the tables, and you can use it. Follow me in next tutorials, and if you liked it, subscribe in my channel and follow next contents. Thank you.